evening, have a good day, have a good weekend to all of us. I will show you how to cook dumplings on Taiwanese way. Homemade or ready to eat dumplings or ready to cook dumplings, something like that. They will cook like this. So I'll show you how. Okay, let's do this. First, we boil the water because I cook already some, so I will just show you something like that. We will wait until the water boils. Actually, this is my second batch. I already cooked some, so I just remember. Maybe you are interested on how they cook the dumplings, so I made a content. This is how it is. Let the water boil. The water is already boiling, guys, so I had to put the dumplings. I wanna eat 10. 1. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Let's see it. Then it boils, boils, and boils. We will wait until the dumplings goes up. Just wait. Yeah. You can use like this, guys, but you have to be very careful because the dumplings might be broken. It's just like that. You will move like this so that it won't stick on the pot or what kind of kettle, like that, or what you call this. Is it a pot? Something like that. I don't know. Kettle is the correct in Filipino, like that. And when you see the dumplings goes up already, did you see that? There, the dumplings goes up. You have to put some normal water, normal temp, body temp, normal temp, like that. You have to put something like that and we will wait until it boils again. And we can see it's boiling again, guys. I don't know what's the English of banto. On Tagalog, it's bantuan. Lalagyan mo siya ng tubig na yung normal lang na tubig. Yeah. And then, guys, as you can see, it's going up again. Banto for the first time, and then you need to banto on the second time around. Like this. And your look at that, guys. Banto for the second time around. And after that, if it boils again, that's it. It's ready to eat. It's either homemade or ready to cook dumplings. They will cook like this. They have to add 2 times water, normal temp. Yung normal lang na tubig na normal lang na ng tubig. Kailangan nila yan. Ganon. And then after that, that's it. That's it. Pwede mo siyang haluin, but you have to be very careful because papangit siya pag napunit. So you have to be, baka kasi may nadikit sa sa kaldero mo or pot mo or kung ano man yung pinaglulutuan mo. Yan. Tapos, pagkatapos niyan, lutang na siya. Lutang na siya. Parang wala siyang tulog. Laging nagwa-white tea. Ayan, lumutang na si Dumplings. That's it. And then, done. Like that. And here is our dumplings, guys. That's it. And then you just have to choose what sauce you want to put. Here. You just have to put what do you want. I have here salt and pepper. And then soy sauce. This one is soy sauce. This is also soy sauce. This one is chili. So I have to choose whatever I want. I want some soy sauce, guys. Soy sauce, this one. Actually, it's also delicious when you put some vinegar. But since I don't have vinegar here, so I just put some soy sauce and then some white pepper. And put some salt and pepper. And then put some chili. This one is chili. And put some chili. Actually, it's chili and garlic, guys. And here, this one. And that's it. It's like this. That's it, guys. Here is my hungry dumplings. That's it. Thank you so much for tuning in here and watching my uploads. If you're not yet connected with me, please do connect and subscribe. Ring the bell, please. Thank you so much. Salamat ng sobra. Salamat po talaga sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, yung mga subscribers. Thank you so much. And then, be safe. Have a great weekend ahead. And let's all keep safe, guys. And this is it. This is my diaries. Thank you. Bye-bye.